Right, so here we are testing now the charger on the car. So we have obviously incoming three-phase power. It's currently off at the moment. Coming into the contactor, that then feeds the module which is based on Open EVSE. There's a little LCD screen, a ground bus bar for earthing. Then this is the Type 2 cable. It's actually a Tesla high power wall connector cable. I've had to have the button held down because Tesla used some non-standard signalling by the looks of it. Right, so yes, a couple of coil measurements here. One of them measures a ground issue, so if there's a problem it won't charge, and the other one here, it just goes around one of the phases to actually measure charging current. So without further ado, let's turn this on. So that will now power up. Run a quick test. Now we can see it's limited to 30 amps. Obviously I'll only get 16 with my car on 3-phase. So without further ado, let's open the charge port. Got the key in my hand, right. And let's insert the Type 2. There we go, connected. Contact is closed, and it's now charging. I am going to be quick because it's starting to rain here. So we will then start seeing the amps being measured as it starts charging. There we go, that's now cranking up. So I've currently got it set to 16 amps. So that will be measured. I think it fluctuates a little bit between 16 and just a little bit below. So that's 16. If I go to the car and reduce charge current from 16 amps, let's take it down to, for example, to 10, and then go and have a look, we will see that this is now at, I think the calculations are incorrect. It's assuming single phase at the moment, so I'm obviously putting in 3 times that amount of energy. But anyway. And if I then, so that's still charging, and if I now want to stop the charge, we will hear the contactor will close, or rather open, before it releases the Menke's lock on the car. So let's just do that now. Hold down the button to stop charging. Click. And the second click, which is the Type 2 being released, I can now pull that out. Close the charge flap. And there we go. It's now just saying ready again for the next charge.